In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos from WhatsApp Web, whether it's a family video, a friend's funny clip, or an insightful video someone sent in a group chat. Downloading videos on WhatsApp Web is straightforward and can be a convenient way to keep memorable moments saved on your device. Let's dive right into it. First, ensure you're logged into WhatsApp Web. If you've never used WhatsApp Web before, you'll want to go to web.whatsapp.com on your computer. Open WhatsApp on your phone and select linked devices from the settings menu. You'll be prompted to scan a QR code from the web page. Once you scan the code using your phone's camera, they'll sync and your chats will appear on your computer. With WhatsApp Web open and ready, navigate to the chat containing the video you're interested in downloading. This can be a recent conversation or a more hidden treasure in your archives. Simply click on the chat to open it. WhatsApp Web mirrors your WhatsApp account, so it's as though you're using the app, only on a larger screen, which can be advantageous for many things, including downloading media. Once you've opened the chat, locate the specific video message within the conversation. As you float over the video with your cursor, a few icons might appear, such as a play button or other media options. When you're ready, you'll want to right-click directly on the video. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu. Among the choices presented, you should see an option specifically labeled Download. By selecting this option, the download process begins. The download might take a few moments, depending on the size of the video file and your internet connection speed. After it's finished, the video is automatically saved to your default download location, often the Downloads folder on your computer. Remember, if you want to adjust where files are saved in the future, you can generally update the default settings in your browser preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a video from WhatsApp Web. This simple process ensures that the videos you love or need access to are readily available on your computer without the need to re-access the chat itself. Feel free to repeat this process for any other videos you'd like to download. With practice, you'll find these steps become second nature, making it easy to keep cherished memories or essential information saved directly to your computer. I hope this was helpful, and you're now well equipped to save videos from WhatsApp Web quickly and easily. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on how to make the most of your tech tools.